beam is also known as? Options are encased beam, built-on beam, rigid beam, tie beam. And the answer is encased beam. Fixed beam is also known as encased beam. The other types of beams are cantilever beam. Cantilever beam is having one end free and other end is fixed. And in simply supported beam, one hinged support is there and one roller support is there. And in overhanging beam, it is two overhanging portions are there, one hinge support and roller support, and two overhanging portions are there. In continuous beam, more than two spans are there. Okay, more than one span is there, then it is called continuous beam. Fixed ended beam, both ends are fixed. If the two ends are fixed, it is called as fixed beam, and it is a propped cantilever beam. It is a propped cantilever beam. Okay. In propped cantilever beam, one end is fixed and other end is simply supported.